This is piping hot Maggie. This is the best thing you can have in mountains when it's really cold. It must be about 10 or 12 degrees now. So let me take a bite. What's up guys? Welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. As you can see in the background, we are in hills. We are in Naldera. We came here actually a couple of days back, but we were just chilling, just soaking in the weather and the beautiful mountainscape around us. So now we are right here in Golf Glades. This is a Himachal Pradesh tourism property. Behind me you can see some chalets and there is a dining facility. But before that we'll explore the famous Naldera Golf Club. So it is right ahead. We'll have to climb, buy tickets and then walk up. So let's get going. Come. After purchasing a ticket for 10 rupees, we are now walking towards the golf course. From here, you can get to the picnic spot by taking two routes. The one on the left is the horse track. You can rent a horse or a mule and take a circle of the golf course, approximately 6 kilometers. This will cost you about 500 rupees or little more. The trek is a little steep, and if you don't mind the climb and the horse poop, take this route. It's quite scenic and the views are breathtaking. The local guides will tell you a list of Bollywood movies shot here.
हिमाचल टूरिज्म में भी देते हैं लगा के अपना लगाना वो अपने लगाते हैं।
So from the entry point, we walked for about 10 minutes, about 500 meters, and we have come to this beautiful plain area. This is like a picnic spot. We have found a nice Maggie point. Our Maggie is getting ready. There is enough cold drink here, water, and you can really chill here for 10 or 15 minutes. Golf course is right in front of me, and it's beautiful. It's surrounded by these beautiful cedar trees, shooting straight up and touching the sky. It is quite peaceful here, and you can spend a nice time here having a plate of Maggie and maybe having a cup of coffee, or even Amul ice cream is available here. This is piping hot Maggie. This is the best thing you can have in mountains when it's really cold. It must be about 10 or 12 degrees now. So let me take a bite. It's really hot and it's quite nice to eat this Maggie. I'm eating Maggie after quite some time, particularly in the hills. A little bit of green chili, onions and tomato. I don't think other than the Maggi masala, anything else has gone into this. Lightly salted, quite good. What I need is a hot cup of coffee. It's quite hot, served in paper cups. I've told them less sugar and stronger coffee. Wow, it is good. So come here, have the Maggie and this coffee. It's good. Actually, this is the Maggie point I wanted to come and eat Maggie from. This is almost 40 years old. That's what I've been told. But unfortunately, it's closed. I don't know why. Right in front of me is the golf course. Let me just show you the beautiful view of the golf course. Naldera is named after the local deity Naldiyo. Over a period of time, Naldiyo has become Naldera. Erstwhile Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon carved an exotic golf course on this mountainside in 1905. Initially a 9-hole course, the Naldera golf course was later expanded to 18 holes. So I'm walking through the perimeter of the golf course. It's really beautiful, so peaceful out here. There are birds chirping, butterflies. So serene. So green, so peaceful. I don't know where this road is leading me to, but more of shade now. You can get another view of the golf course from here. There is the golf course, just about 10 meters from here. Let me show you a 360-degree view of this beautiful forest. The sound you can hear is of the crows. They're cawing like crazy. It's just not Maggie, coffee and nature here. For the adventure seekers, there are few activities here like zip lining. It costs about 250 rupees. Just check this. So if you're visiting Shimla or Mashobra, I will strongly recommend that you come to the Naldera golf course and spend some time here. Maggie and coffee is always there for you if it's cold, but otherwise The scenery is fantastic. It's totally serene and green. We thoroughly enjoyed it and we spent, I think, more than a couple of hours. We parked our car in Golf Glade, which is owned by Himachal Pradesh Tourism. We also had lunch here. I have not shot or recorded the lunch. Lunch was a normal lunch, the kind of food you get anywhere up in the hills. I hope you have liked this episode of Naldera Golf Club. Give it a thumbs up if you have liked it. If you have not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion, do it right now and click on the bell button to get the notifications. Wait for the next video. Bye and take care.